In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a project management database, step-by-step guide being ClickUp. By the end, you'll have a clean, organized foundation for tracking projects, tasks, and results without starting from scratch. First, open ClickUp in your browser and sign in to the workspace where you want this database to live. Make sure you have the right permissions to change settings in the area you'll use. If you're part of a larger team, it's a good idea to confirm you're working in the correct workspace before you proceed. Next, choose the space that will hold your project database. This could be a brand new space or an existing one dedicated to operations, clients, or internal projects. Open the space settings. This is where you'll control structure and features for everything inside that space. So it's the right place to start if you want a consistent setup across folders and lists. Inside space settings, look for the option to browse templates. Click Browse Templates to open ClickUp's template library. Templates save time and help you adopt proven structures, including statuses, views, and custom fields that make a project database useful from day one. In the template library, search for project management, then review the options. Open the previews to check what's included. Things like tasks, statuses, priorities, custom fields for owners or budgets, and default views such as list, board, or Gantt. Pick the template that best matches your workflow and team size. If you manage multiple teams or phases, choose a template that supports clear stages and reporting. When you've found the right one, click Use Template. You'll be prompted to confirm where to add it. Select your chosen space. Take a moment to review any import options. Keep the elements that make tracking easier, like statuses, fields, and views, so your database is ready to go immediately. Click Use Template again to confirm and begin the import. This step finalizes the setup and creates the folders, lists, and views included with that template. Depending on the size, it may take a moment. Once it's done, your structure will appear in the space you selected. From here, refine your hierarchy so it mirrors how your team actually works. In ClickUp, the typical order is space, then folders, then lists. Rename items for clarity, remove anything you don't need, and standardize statuses and fields so everyone uses the same language. Finally, add automations to reduce manual work. Things like assigning tasks when a status changes or nudging due dates when priorities shift. Start simple. Test changes on a sample item, and once it feels right, you're all set. Congratulations, your project management database is live and ready to scale.